Hey there, welcome to the Midships Minutes. I'm your Captain Corey. We've got a news story coming out about a Carnival ship suffering a propulsion issue. This is a very popular ship, the Carnival Pride. It's actually a strange time to suffer propulsion issues, considering the Pride just finished an extensive dry dock. Let's get into this article coming out from cruisehive.com. This is by Melissa Miance. The Carnival Pride suffers propulsion issue, forcing the cruise line to cancel a port of call and head back to Germany. Carnival Pride will not be visiting Gothenburg, Sweden as scheduled on Wednesday, July 19th due to the development of a propulsion issue that has impacted the ship's maximum cruising speed. The problem developed on Tuesday evening. Are you looking at this over here? You're looking at this. The problem developed on Tuesday evening when tracking data noticed the vessel cruising at very slow speeds, with occasional dead stops at different times in the open waters of the Baltic Sea. And propulsion issues are something that Carnival is no stranger to. They have an entire class of ships that just knows exactly how to have propulsion issues. Ask Carnival Panorama. Yeah, ask that ship about propulsion issues. Let's get back into the article. Guests currently sailing on the Pride's 12-night European itinerary from Dover, England, have been notified via a letter delivered into their staterooms that they'll not be visiting the final port call on the ship's itinerary in Sweden as originally planned. The letter reads, "The ship has developed an issue that's affecting its maximum cruising speed, and our engineers are actively working on a repair plan. Regrettably, as a result of this issue, we're not going to be visiting Gothenburg today. We know you were looking forward to your time there and apologize for this unexpected change of plans." Now, all pre-purchased Carnival shore excursions for the port stop that's now canceled, as well as applicable taxes and fees and port expenses, are being refunded to guests on their sail and sign account. And this is important to note because most cruise operators, except for Norwegian, I'm just going to call you out right now, automatically refund your port fees and taxes when a port call is missed. And Norwegian does this from time to time. They will do the right thing and automatically refund them. Now, my last cruise on the Norwegian Breakaway, that was not the case. You actually had to go down and request a refund from guest services, and some people had to wait in line for a cash refund instead of getting it to their stateroom or their credit card. Boy, that was a whole mess. We're not here to talk about Norwegian, though. We're talking Carnival. Let's get back into this article. Furthermore, all staterooms are being gifted a $100 USD onboard credit as compensation for the missed port of call. Really nice, but, you know, since Carnival's ship is the one that broke, Carnival should be giving a little bit of something. The credit is per stateroom, not per guest, and can be used for onboard purchases like drinks, spa treatment, photographs, souvenirs, or onboard dining. What if you could use it in the casino? Surprise me if you could. The nature of the propulsion issue has not been disclosed yet, nor has there been any information given on how repairs can be made or whether or not the ship's return to Dover on Friday will be impacted at all. Guests on board the Pride, however, have reported an announcement from the ship's master that said the ship will be returning to Germany, which is confirmed by the tracking data. It seems unlikely that the vessel will be able to return to that North German port, effect repairs, and then sail on to Dover for the normal planned debarkation. The ship's hotel operations and other onboard power usage does not appear affected, which is good. We don't want another poop cruise from hell. There's no word yet on any impact to the next sailing that departs on July 21st. Man, this is bad news coming out for anybody booked on the Pride. Funny enough, I've been looking to hop on this ship because Carnival has $50 last-minute sailings right now for people who gamble. Yeah, gambling has its benefits, and I get so many good offers right now. It's hard to choose a ship. I'm holding out for an Alaska cruise, $50. Could you imagine? $50 Alaska cruise. Now, this article goes on to say that the Carnival Pride was in dry dock for an extensive refit and refurbishment in Cadiz, Spain just weeks ago. Out of operation from April 28th through May 27th. During the refit, new venues were added to the vessel, spa was renovated, and the ship received the new signature Carnival livery. Do you like that Carnival livery? Tell me about it in the comments down below. I think it is a very, very attractive livery on all of these new Carnival ships and the old Carnival ships like the Pride. Well, Have you ever cruised on the Pride? It typically seems to sail out of Tampa, which is not all that far away from where I reside over in Orlando. I'm looking to book on the Pride next time she's back here. I think a Tampa cruise would be really exciting to do. I've never done it. It's one of the smaller kind of secondary, tertiary ports that we review here on this channel. Hey, make sure you get subscribed here for your next Midships Minutes coming up in about 2 hours time. Until then, see ya on the Midships. Bye. Held up a 1. I meant to hold up a piece. It's early.